Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a sanitation disinfecting video. So I'm going to start off this video by washing all of my metal tools that I use on my clients. And we're going to use hot water, and we're going to lock that into place, and we're going to take some soap and we're going to let these soak. So, oh, that's hot. So we're gonna do that for a little bit, probably for about 10 minutes, and then I will be back. So while my tools are soaking, I'm actually going to prepare my barbicide. So I ordered this. It's basically an antifungal and anti-germicidal liquid that will get your tools clean after you wash them. So you basically just let them sit inside of there for a few minutes to kind of get rid of all of the germs on the tools. So we are going to put the liquid in here. So we're going to take this out, and I'm going to open these. I actually got 2 of them, and we're going to pour the liquid in there. That should be good. Alrighty. So we're all set once we get our tools out of the soapy water. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna run some lukewarm water in here, and we're just gonna move our tools around. And I also have a brush in here because we're gonna brush our tools. So that's all to this video, basically disinfecting and sanitizing your tools. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on all my social media, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.